wouldn't you?
I mean, we could take our pot more.
Yeah. Let's go, man.
The house, right?
Hi guys, we're here today in Rickmansworth. We're cleaning a imprinted concrete driveway, and we're also cleaning some walls, rendered walls, and some stone columns, spheres and coping stones on top of the walls. So we'll be using soft washing methods and also steam cleaning, try and get rid of all the organic staining, all the black spot and stuff like that. So come in and take a closer look.
Water access, just water access, please, mate. Can I tell you where that is, please? Walk way through the water. That's down here. Clearly the driveway. Yep. The boundary walls. So here. Yep. All along there. The pillars.
We're going to use the bleach to bring your colour back out to get rid of these.
Yeah. I've got some cool water and stuff in the fridge.
Thank you.
Do you want some now, or are you guys alright?
No,
We're right at the moment.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, fine, okay.
Thank you.
Hi guys, today we are at a lovely property in Watford, and today we have a render and a driveway clean. Quite dirty, and at the bottom we have, it looks like maybe like some algae, maybe some bacteria that's in the rendering. The driveway's not too bad. We're just going to give it a nice clean, some nice hypo.
Should be a no spill one as well.
Dilute the sodium hypochlorite. Because it's a grey render, we just want to test it as a weakness, because we don't want to take the paint colour coming out of it. So we're going to do a little test of a weak mixture for now. If that works well and we seem to struggle to get the dirt marks out of the bottom, we might add a little bit more to make it a little bit stronger.
I will have a red nose after this, by the way, because it's got the flip.
Rudolph.
roughly amount of time I'm going to need to get it set. So we're going to give it a little go now. Ready?
So we're done with the walls. Elliot's just finishing up with the outside part. Let's see how it looks. Right, bang it! Bang it! Now that is what I'm talking about.
cleaning this imprinted concrete driveway today and all the walls and everything. I just wanted to show you this. So originally when the driveway was installed, it had like a bluish grey, like a slate grey colour to it, and over time it can wear off. So here you can see the concrete coming through and the colour wearing off. But there is a product designed especially for this. It's built by a company called Smart Seal, and we've actually got a discount code. So if you've got an imprinted concrete driveway and you're suffering this sort of issue, then you can check out the code in the description and head over to Smart Seal website, where you can get a colouring to restore your imprinted concrete driveway. So thanks for watching today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy the transformations as much as I do. If you're liking our content, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And we'll be bringing you videos like this every single week. So follow our journey as we conquer YouTube.